Okay, now let's take a look at directed reading B for Chapter 1, Section 2. Let me see if I can find it here. All right, yes. Chapter 1, Section 2, directed reading B, called Identifying Minerals. So there are different ways that we identify minerals, and that's what this section is about. There's, I think, 7 or 8 different ways. So the first thing we look at is color. And besides air and water, what can change the color of a mineral is impurities. So color is kind of a tricky one because a rock could look one color, but really it's a different color. So it's kind of a tricky thing. Now luster is how the rock reflects light. So if it's shiny or if it's dull. The 3 types of lusters are non-metallic, metallic, and submetallic. So you should have circled supermetallic. That doesn't exist. That's a wrong answer. That's not a type of luster. Now metallic luster means that it looks like a metal. Non-metallic means that it definitely doesn't look like metal. And submetallic means it kind of looks like metal. Streak. The color of a mineral powdered form is its streak. So when a rock looks one color, we do a streak test. We drag the rock across a little ceramic plate, and it leaves a little bit of dust on it, and that dust tells us the real color of a rock. So a rock might look gold, and you might be excited, oh my gosh, I found some gold, but then you do the streak test and realize that it's not gold at all. It's actually like dark brown or black. Cleavage and fracture has to do with how a rock breaks. So when a rock breaks and it's just kind of jagged and curved and irregular, like if you just found a random rock and smashed it on the pavement, that's called fracture. And then cleavage is when rocks break on very smooth sides. So think of like a crystal that has really smooth sides. That's cleavage. Hardness is what is the softest mineral on the Mohs scale? Is talc, and the hardest mineral on the Mohs scale is diamond. So the Mohs scale tells us how hard or soft rocks are, and talc is 1 on the scale, and diamond is 10 on the scale. 7. The ratio of an object's mass to its volume is its density. 8. The substance used as a reference point for measuring density is water, and 9 is specific gravity. 10 is fluorescence, 11 is radioactivity, and 12 is magnet. So make any corrections you need to that, and be ready to turn that in.